Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. We are posting lots of good videos for you with different varieties of problems, and I hope that you guys are watching them. Today we are going to solve another interesting lead code array related coding problem. It's 2974 minimum number game. So we'll go through this problem and we will understand this problem today. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews. So let's start with the problem statement first. You are given 0 index integer array nums of even length and there is also an empty array R. Alice and Bob decided to play a game where in every round Alice and Bob will do one move, right? So this is the rules of the game. So let's go through the rules. Every round first Alice will remove the minimum element from nums and then Bob does the same. After that, what they do, Bob will append the removed element into the array and then Alice will append the removed element into the array, right? Okay. The game continues till the nums become empty. Return the resulting array. So that's what the problem statement says. The nums dot length is between 1 to 100 and the numbers will range between 1 to 100 inclusive, and this is always a even array, even length array. Okay, so that is given to us. So this is an example of a even length array that is given to us, and what they are saying is first Alice and then Bob, right? So there is two guys, one is Alice and one is Bob, and they are playing a game. So Alice will remove the minimum from this array, right? This is the array given to us. So what is the minimum there? 2. And what is the now after that Bob will remove the minimum. What is the minimum now? 3, right? So they remove two numbers. Now what they will do, they have one empty array, right? So they will Bob will append his number. So Bob will append 3 and then Alice will append her number. So Alice will append 2. Okay. So this will keep going on now. So 2 and 3 is gone now from this array. So next time what will happen, Alice will remove 4, right? Because 4 is minimum, and Bob will remove 5, right? Because 5 is minimum. Then Bob will append his number here. So Bob's number is 5, Alice's number is 4, right? So this is what we want to find out this. So after this, everything will be gone from this array. So you have to stop at that point. Now array became empty, right? So 3 to 5, 4 is what you will find at the end basically. So this is what the problem statement says. So I hope it's pretty clear what they are asking us to do. So how can we solve this problem? So what we will do to solve this problem is we will just take this input array, right? And we will just sort this array. So a sorted array will look like this, right? 2 3 4 5, right? So this is our sorted array, and then we will take another array which will be empty array, right, of the same length as the original array. So let us take one empty array which has a 4 elements in it, right? So it's the same element, but right now nothing is there basically. After that, what we will do is we will go through this sorted array, right? And what we will do, so we will start in taking numbers in two chunks basically. So these two numbers we will take first. Now this is the index 0, this is the index 1, right? So what we will do, and this is index 0 here of this array, this is index 1, 2 and 3, right? And then what we will, after we choose these numbers, we will put 3 here and we will put 2 here, right? So 2 will go to the next index, 3 will go to the previous index, and 2 will go to the next index, right? So I'll show you that how to do it. It's pretty easy. So next time again you will choose these two, again same thing, 4 will go here and 5 will go here, right? Same thing basically. So you will have 5 here. It's very difficult to write here. So 5 here and then 4 here, right? So that's it basically. You are at the end of the array. So you just return your this array that you created, and that should solve the problem. So here we have used the sorting, which means that the time complexity for the code is going to be n log n. Sorting takes n log n time, right? Okay, so this is what we are actually going to do. So we will first sort the array and then we will take the numbers in two chunks, right? Two numbers at a time, right? Two numbers. So I'll show you the code now. So number game is what we are implementing. Nums array is given to us. We are going to return that newly created array. So it's a int array, right? We'll calculate the length of the array into n. We will create one empty array result which is of the same length as the original given array, right? After that, we are going to use arrays sort method, right? Arrays class has a sort method. You pass your nums and it will get sorted. After that, we will go into our for loop. Remember here that I is 0, I is less than n, I is equal to I plus 2. This is very important. So we are taking numbers in a two chunks basically, right? Always two numbers basically in that iteration. So first number, nums of I, will give you Alice mean, and nums of I plus 1 will give you Bob mean. Why? Because this array is sorted, right? The array is sorted now. So you will get first Alice mean, then you will get Bob mean. Now you have two means basically. Now you have to add that into your result array. So result of I will be Bob mean and result of I plus 1 will be Alice mean, because for example in the beginning I is 0. So in this way 0 will be Bob mean and 1 will be Alice mean. So always you are actually taking this number and putting in the reverse way. So 3 will go here and 2 will go here, correct? So this is what we want. So you are in a loop, so you will keep doing it for two numbers, right, until that array is finished. At the end you have to just return that result array, and this one will give you the resulting array basically, right? So let's talk about the time complexity one more time. So arrays.sort is a prominent factor here. So it means that the time complexity for this code is going to be order of n log n, where n is total numbers given in that nums array, and space complexity for this code is order of n, because we have used this integer array here, right? So let us count it as a space. So if you are counting it as a space, then it means that you will have n numbers in that array, so your space complexity will be order of n. So let us run this code, make sure this code works correctly on the test cases. So as you can see here, the test cases are passed. We are getting correct result here. So let's take a look here. You can see we are getting correct result. We'll submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It is 98.02 on the performance, which is a pretty good code to solve this coding problem. 2974 minimum number gain. So I hope you clearly understood how we have used the sorting approach and along with this example. And if this example and this whiteboarding session helped you understand this problem in an easier way, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really valuable for us. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews by showing them how to solve different varieties of problems, by telling Java developers what are the frequently asked questions in interviews, telephonic interviews, and how to answer them. More than 500 different varieties of important solved problems you will find in the playlist that includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary search related problems, problems related to different data structures such as stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, dynamic programming related problems, as well as recursion, memoization, BFS, TFS problems. So don't miss out on those important problems. So go and check out the playlist. You will definitely like them, and you will going to definitely learn a lot by watching those videos, and will help you in your interview preparation. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.